Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to avoid order cancellations on Fiverr. Order cancellations on Fiverr can hurt your ratings and income, but most cancellations are avoidable. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to protect your orders and keep buyers happy. Let's get started. First, always clarify requirements before starting. Ask questions to confirm details and avoid misunderstandings. Second, set realistic deadlines. Don't promise fast delivery if you cannot guarantee it. Third, update buyers regularly. A quick message like "I'm halfway done" builds trust and prevents disputes. In conclusion, if you follow the steps, you'll reduce cancellations and grow your Fiverr business. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.